Hi, welcome back to the video series. In today's video, we will be going over and creating our first HR task. So first, we're going to navigate to the HR template table, and we'll go ahead and create it. For the purpose of this video, I went ahead and created our template, but you can go ahead and click New. So let me go ahead and navigate here. All right, so you're going to want to go ahead and give it a name, and we're going to set up our new hire buddy here. And next, you're going to want to make sure this is on the HR core task table. And that's going to give you all the fields on the task table. And so we'll go ahead and start setting it up. So you want to set up the short description. This is what is going to be seen on the top of your task in the portal. And then we'll go ahead and set the priority of this task when it is created. Next is optional. So do you want to make this mandatory or not mandatory? So we're going to make sure this is mandatory. Next, you want to set the state of the task when it is ready. Next, these are the different task types that we have. So you can set up a task type based off the HR service, off of a checklist. So we'll go over these in a different series. I'm going to go over and create one of each. And so these are all the different task types that you can go through. You can set up upload documents. You can make sure it's a URL, meaning that you can have a URL and then they have to make sure that they go to that before they can complete the task. But we'll go more in depth in our video series, but we're going to go with a mark complete. Next, we're going to set up the description. This is what we'll be seeing on the back end, and the rich description is what's going to be seen on the portal side. And so you want to make sure that it is in HTML. And so what I do is I go to an HTML converter and I just type it in here and I'm able to clean it up and paste it in here. Next, we're going to set up the assign to. So here, we're going to make sure that this is assigned to the subject person's manager. And so we'll navigate here. So this is where you can assign it to whoever you need to. Next, we're going to be setting up the due date. This is going to be a pre-boarding task. So we're going to have it be on the employee start date. And so come in here, we're going to navigate to the HR profile and we can select the start date or any date that you need. But for this task, we'll use the start date. And we're going to make sure that this is before the start date. And then we're going to make sure that this is 7 days out. Perfect. And so in the next video, we're going to go ahead and set up our HR activity. And so we're going to be able to put into the activity set and start to build it out. So I will see you on the next video. Thank you very much.